what's good, everybody? It's your boy General315 back again. Another sneaker review video for y'all today. And today, man, we just got a quick little review. It's a little different. I'm not in my usual spot. I'm at the Crown Plaza up in Lake Placid, but I wanted to get this quick review out. It's gonna be a little bit different of a review today, just because I'm on Thanksgiving like vacay, and I'm up here in Lake Placid. We at the hotel, so it's gonna be a different style. It's not gonna be what I normally do, but I just wanna let y'all know I still got y'all on the video. I brought the shoes with me just so I could bust it down real quick. So today, man, we got the Jordan 12 playoffs, the iconic playoffs. These are from our boy Trader Joe's. He sent these over for the review, and I appreciate him for that. Just to let y'all know, UA shoe, it's not the retail. If you want the retail, you can go on StockX and GOAT. Resale prices are on the screen. Indulge if you would like to, but it's options out here. So just real quick, we're gonna break down the shoe because I'm about to run out the door. We have our playoff 12 right here, super dope. And I know y'all saw my last video of the flu games that I did from Lisa. Those were from Lisa, but I think this is the same batch, y'all. This is the same batch because the quality is the same. The upper leather is the same. So I think this batch is really, really good. It's roaming around out there. It's very nice. I would go and get it if I were you, but I'm not gonna tell y'all what to do. You do what you want with your own money. Just showing you guys the details. The leather's really, really nice. All black upper. Then we got that white leather mud guard right here. Very, very nice. These lizard scale things are looking pretty good. They're very prominent. You can feel them all. Everything seems to be lined up very, very well. So not bad at all. I can't complain about this. I can't complain about this. It's just a really well put together shoe. Tab on the back of the shoe right there. Everything looks to be stitched pretty well. 23 right there. So, you know, insole looks pretty good. You know, standard black with the red. Sizing tag right there. 2-3 on the tongue. And then Jumpman stitch pretty good. Little flaw right there, but nothing crazy. It looks like to be it's a loose thread or something like that, but not bad at all. Shoe is pristine. Pristine. Now this is a very popular shoe. I don't know if this shoe is re-releasing again, but there are rumors out there that next year this shoe is coming out. And if they're making this one and they're making the flu game, I think it's a pretty good indication that those shoes will be releasing soon. So just keep your eyes out, have your money ready. They're going to go extra fast. You know, just be ready. Just be ready. If you can get anything together now, you know, get your money right, you know, get your sneakers app and all of that stuff right, just be ready. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna go with an 8.5 for me. I like the taxis better. And this is kind of like a reverse taxi. And I just like the taxis better than this colorway, but this colorway is still clean. So, you know, not my favorite colorway, but certainly not a colorway that's whack. I do like this one a lot. Construction and materials used, these materials are really good, y'all. Really, really good, y'all. Look at that tumbled leather, y'all. It's very nice, very soft shoe, very dope. So I'm gonna have to go with a 10 on the construction and materials. It's on point. It is really, really on point. So that's my rating for the shoe, y'all. Hope this review was informative for you guys. We're gonna jump into that on foot. You guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace. All right, y'all, so not the typical type of review that you guys will be accustomed to. I'm gonna try and get something out of this. I'm gonna see what I can do. This isn't the usual type of reviews that I normally do, but we're gonna try and make something happen. So this video is definitely gonna be different. It's not gonna be like all my other ones. It's just gonna be pretty much me roaming around trying to figure out how to make a video out of all of this info. But we're gonna see what we can do. I mean, I'm gonna do my best rendition that I can and see if I can actually get some type of good footage out of this. I'm pretty much just gonna show y'all around and then do a little on foot in the process. We definitely gonna get through it. Let's go, let's see what we can do. That's cool.
Anyway, well, I saw that and I said, I've got to stop and do this because I started getting the pictures all set, the shoes all set up, so I've got to ask this. You had to ask. I mean, you have
No, I appreciate you stopping by and asking.
Oh, it's a cool gig. Like your message too.
Yeah, appreciate it.
They're really out there. You got some good views, good light.
Oh, yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Hey, I appreciate you, brother.
Take care.
Thank you. Okay. Theater action.
Theater action.
Ooh. It's the resort. Resort of resorts. Game room.
Game room, all the kids is at bowling alley. Game room.
Game room on deck.
I don't have my car, but the fitness room.
Fitness room on deck. Oh, yeah. Oh, she getting busy.
Fitness room.
Look at Shorty. She getting busy.
Fitness room. And then we down restaurant right here. And then one here. This is the owners club.
Oh, yeah. I might have to do my foot in there.
We can't get in there. I beg your pardon.
Who said?
We don't have no access to cards.
Who said I can't get in there?
Okay.
I'm General 315. You know what I mean? Extraordinaire. We getting in there with these 12s.
Going live has really got my hip going
Right?
again.
But we here. We got the white face.
Yes, see. Yes, sir. We here. Whiteface.
White face lodge, y'all.
Yes, we are. And
We here.
We are in the spa treatment section. That's what we doing.
This is the spa section of the video.
Yes.
I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing the shoes in the spa. But
You would talk about shoes though.
we'll figure it out.
Yes.
Figure it out. I did get these.
Those are sharp.
I don't know what these are, what they call these, but
The air quality. We love it. Thanksgiving floor.
so what you getting, a sports massage?
Yes. Sports massage, deep tissue.
So wait, what am I doing?
You're going to the spa, they have the sauna, all that stuff for relaxation where you can do your video.
The sauna. They gonna give me a robe?
Yeah.
I'm getting a robe, y'all.
Robe and all that.
I'm about to get a robe. I'm about to get robed out.
Robed out, bro. Robed out.
Robed out. I got Big Bro with me.
We robed out.
All right. Actually, since this place is as big as it is, we gotta figure out where we gonna go next.
I'll rope you around.
I don't bring you to the men's area. I just know that you have like a camera.
All right, y'all. So listen, I'm at the spa. They got me in the Hugh Hefner robe. You know what I'm saying? Up at the White Face Lodge. You gonna go ahead and get in the spa real quick. We gotta go back upstairs. What kind of honey is it? It's like
From Australia.
Australian honey, though?
I'm gonna give it to you.
Some type of Australian honey. So the thing about this place is that they have everything. They literally have everything in this place. This place is self-sustaining. So I'm still exploring. I'm trying to see what else they got. All right, y'all. So I'm about to go downstairs to the basement. Maybe see if I could pull off an odd foot down there. And then we'll see what happens. Outside and see what they got out there. It's dark though, so I'm gonna make it. We're gonna see what they got out here too. It's mad nice out here at night. Place is humongous. Let's see what they got over here. I'm about to walk over here real quick. Oh, hell nah. They even got an ice skating ring. What? Contrary to popular belief, General 315 does not ice skate. I do not ice skate, but they do have an ice skating rink out here, y'all. That's crazy. This cat's really out here on ice skates, getting busy. Crazy, this resort got everything.